How to quickly translate email to another language on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the email app. Then open up the email that you would like to translate. So here I'm just going to wait for my email to load up. Okay, so in my inbox, I'm going to open up this email and I'm going to tap on the More button. From the pop-up, tap on Translate Email to that particular language. Now, if you want to change the language, what you can do is in your inbox, tap on the menu key, then tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and then tap on Translator and then download the language that you would like to use. At the top here, tap on Translate Email to and select your preferred language. After, tap on the back key to go back to your inbox. Then reopen your email. Then tap on More. And now, select Translate Email to your selected language. And you can see here, it will automatically translate your email to that language. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.